Hello everyone. Today's learning would be on global transfer pricing management or operational transfer pricing management. Transfer pricing and transfer pricing management are two separate concepts of the same pillar. Transfer pricing as a means undertaking global international transactions between the relevant parties, which we call as associated enterprises, at a value which is as per the market conditions, that is arm's length price, so that the profit allocations between the countries is fair and appropriate. Due to the close relationships, there could be certain influences on the profitabilities when we talk about an M&E group, and therefore the law is an important aspect in a country's economy to protect its tax base. When transfer pricing are only seen from one local tax jurisdiction points of view, it is called legislative transfer pricing, that is, local transfer pricing. However, when transfer pricing are arranged in a manner where global transaction management is involved, it takes into account more than one tax jurisdiction, and such an exercise takes the form of a larger strategic management in the form of global transfer pricing or worldwide transfer pricing, operational and strategic balancing of supply chains. So, what are the benefits of global transfer pricing? Global transfer pricing is the management of transfer pricing globally, which leads to visibility on the entire worldwide structure and international prices of an multinational group. It provides control and bird's eye view of the intercompany transactions undertaken globally. It is easier to compartmentalize transactions and implement policies on intercompany dealings through global transfer pricing. Standard terms and conditions, streamlining of business activities, globally accepted transfer pricing structures are some of the characteristics and benefits of global transfer pricing management. The next question that arises is, how should management look at global transfer pricing? So, international management should look at global transfer pricing as an extended arm of the global supply chain and business. It is assigned right values to the functions, assets, and risks embedded in the global supply chain, and then transforming such supply chain in the tax-friendly documentation. It also helps management to centralize its function and provides greater control of the global operations. Once an appropriate model is implemented, it could stay on for a longer period as the models are quite agile to the way business are undertaken. Finally, how should a business take it ahead? The CFO or the tax head should reach out to qualified transfer pricing specialists, accountants, and lawyers who might be auditing the company accounts and also representing the company in other matters, may not possess the right set of experience to advise on a transfer pricing situation at a global level, as this topic needs a subject matter expertise. In case you need any further thoughts on global transfer pricing, please feel free to reach out to us at info@transpress.in or the details mentioned. Hope this further enhanced your knowledge about transfer pricing. See you next time. Until then, zooming out.